All right, back to the install of the AC evaporator and heater core. I'll attach this. I don't know what video it is, 2 or 3. But I got to show you something. I've already installed the heater core right there, and then the evaporator's right here, and I showed you the plate. And I got this stuff right here. It's really good, but if you see right there, that square, I forgot the name of them, jam nuts or whatever. Look, I got one more to put in, and that keeps this plate. See, one there, one there, one there, and that keeps this plate against it. All right, so, and that's the recirculation door in there. All right, what I did, I had to pump my hand vacuum pump up. Hold on, put you on pause. So I had to put a hand vacuum pump on the vacuum actuator. All right. So there's the vacuum can, and then there's the pump that most of your diesel pushers have right here. So this is all up your high vac, your heat and ventilation and air conditioning mode doors. This is the recirculation door that I showed you. All right, so I'm getting ready to install this one here. Basically, let me put it on pause. That's going to go in like that, and it's going to hold it. So I don't think I need to show you how to put a screw, but basically there's 4 of them, okay? And then I use this putty right here, some really good stuff. Put you on pause and get your part number. All right, so it's Ideal number 31-601, 1 pound. It's a duct seal, non-hardening sealing compound. There you go. It's in Spanish and Italian, and there's the barcode. Let's see if I can get who, you know who made it, but see if I can get you the address. Oh, there's the address. All right, 1-800-435-0705 and 40050-3. All right, so it's Ideal Duct Seal, and that's this putty that never hardens, and it really, I'm gonna put it all over these tubes, right? That's a thermal expansion valve with a bulb that goes on this side, and remember it has a freeze sensor. I got to put that in. Okay, I already went over that in another video, this first or second video. All right, so I'm gonna install this little plate right here. All right, you can see right there, she's ready. All right, thank you very much. Just a short video to help you out there, just show you little by little, because I'm by myself and this is what I do. Thank you very much. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Motto: test, not guess.